Okay, Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. First snowfall significant since 2009. Looking out my front door. Christmas decorations trying to blow up, but they're might need a hand. Our county's only got a couple of snow plows, and no, they don't plow our street. I'm over 4 inches right now. Gonna go out and see if I can get my Christmas decoration to blow up for one last time. So easily the first time it saw snow. Probably gonna be the last. Fun though. Kids were out here playing earlier, sliding down the little hills with the recycle buckets.